It's a bright morning in Bangkok. We are leaving the city now, heading toward the Maeklong Railway Market.
Along the train track is quite near the sea, near the South China Sea, not too far, I think.
This is the last stop before Maeklong Station, where the train runs straight through the market. This is the moment everyone is waiting for.
What you guys doing so early? Hey, morning everyone.
The train has just arrived at Maeklong. We have a little time before it heads back, so I'm gonna walk through the market to see the stalls up close. And soon, I'll be standing on the platform to watch it pass again. I can't believe this is the exact place the train just passed through, and yet everyone is back at work, going about their day as if nothing happened. There is a quiet strength in the way they live their days. Every task is handled with care. They adapt, move, and smile, showing patience we often forget.
แม่แม่
Watching this, you can't help but reflect on our own little complaints. Here, life moves with the train, yet everyone adapts and smiles. Life feels simpler and somehow happier. Everyone is finding the perfect spot to watch the train come through. All eyes on the tracks as they get ready for the train. The market pauses for a moment. And just like that, the train passes through and the market resets. Umbrellas and stalls are back in place and business continues as usual. There is so much I want to take back with me from this place. Not things you can hold, but the way life can feel joyful and full of purpose. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I am off now to explore the floating market. See you in the next one.